The 1927 Stutz Vertical 8 Series AA Blackhawk Boattail Speedster. In 1927, Blackhawk Speedsters won every stock race they entered to become that year's AAA stock car champion.
It was very fast in the day. They guaranteed 80 mile an hour.
I'm sure it would go faster than that.
Oh yes, 95 horse. And when you think about 95 horse compared to a Ford Model T at 20 horse, there is no comparison.
Yeah, and this in its day was the fastest car in America.
Yes, yes. It's the car that was proven good in a day. You know, that was their slogan.
What does that even mean, Willie?
Well, you think about the Indianapolis 500.
Yep.
They ran that, came in 11th place.
Which doesn't sound amazing.
Except that they did it, no breakdowns, no errors, whatever. Just a fabulous car, performs well. Even today, it'll impress you. When you go back to the Bearcat days, they were doing very well.
And they were running like 24-hour races with the Bearcat?
Yes.
And people would die in those races.
Well, occasionally, but never more than once.
And they didn't stop the race. This is what's crazy to me. They would keep, they would just move on. The chassis is an underslung. So again, the center of gravity is lower. That was the purpose. And this was the safety Stutz.
Yeah, the drive line goes underneath and goes into the bottom of the differential rather than in the top.
I see.
Like most of them. So you can build the body lower.
So Willie, you've talked about it being pretty fast. What's running this thing?
Cover your eyes. Yeah, you don't blind yourself.
That's a lot of chrome.
It is.
Boy, oh boy.
It's a big, tall block. This is why they call it the Vertical 8. Overhead cam. So it's got a polished aluminum cam cover. Aluminum intake. And that's an aftermarket made by Swan. It's got a Zenith two-barrel carburetor on it. It's a vacuum fuel pump on it, and so you don't have mechanical fuel pump failures. Don't have to worry about electric fuel pump. And it's got four-wheel hydraulic brakes. And kind of neat because it's got
leather.
The leather inner fenders on it.
Willie, what am I looking at here?
You're looking at the right-hand side of the Stutz Vertical 8. Overhead cam. Same as the other side, kinda. Except the exhaust is on this side, ignition is on this side, generator and the water pump. Kinda unique how that shaft runs all the way back to the back of the engine.
And that's running the water pump?
Yes, yeah, and charging the system. Now one thing about it, if you count here, this is an 8-cylinder.
Yeah, it looks like a lot more wires.
There's a lot more wires. There's dual plugs on there. It's a complete dual ignition, so it's got a coil for each side. So it fires on the intake side and then fires on the exhaust side.
And what would be the purpose of that?
Good, clean burn.
Oh, okay, okay.
Good, clean burn.
What is this contraption?
That's called a Wahl oil centrifugal unit, and it's a rectifier, and it spins the debris out of the oil.
Okay.
And when you change oil, you take that cover off the bottom, and any dirt will come out there.
So that's actually a serviceable part.
Yes.
And then I'm seeing this spring thumb thing, and you're looking at me a little.
That's as close as you get to it,
Okay.
Bobby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why can't I touch it?
Well, I'll show you. If you look right up here, I put my hand underneath the spring down here, and you come up with oil.
Ah, so that's some sort of oiling system.
That's an oiling system. When it's running, if you push that plunger in, that oils the entire chassis with engine oil.
So it's called a Myers Magazine oiling system.
Yes.
Okay.
It's kind of unique in that it does oil every point on the chassis.
At the same time.
And then you bring it into the museum and you park it, and then it drips on every point that it oiled.
Willie, we're in the back of the car, which is absolutely my favorite part, the Boattail. Tell me about why this thing exists.
Well, it was designed for several reasons. It increased fuel mileage.
Yes.
Cut down wind resistance. gave you more speed, and looked spectacular.
Yeah, I mean, you can't argue the looks.
And rumor has it that it was outlawed because it's so unstable for anybody behind you trying to draft behind the car. So like in racing, it was a bad design. And so rumor has it was outlawed.
I see.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, rumor has it you're going to let me drive this thing. Is that true?
Very possible.
Well, I'm excited. Let's do this.
Yeah. You'll enjoy it.
This is a ridiculously beautiful car.
This is what a young gentleman would have when he was trying to impress a young lady.
Well, I mean, you're not a young gentleman and I'm not a young lady, so.
I bet I can impress you anyway.
I'm impressed, man. Let's see if it starts. Well, too easy. That's amazing.
Yeah. 80-mile-an-hour car.
80 miles an hour. We're gonna hit 80 today? Maybe temperature.
Temperature-wise, yeah.
Yeah, what a gorgeous day for
I know.
drop-top Stutz.
Yeah.
That's why I always, again, you get the car in the museum, which we have a lot of cool lights, which highlights it, but outside in the sunlight, this red paint.
Comes alive.
It comes alive.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Fabulous car.
And pretty fast. So what type of person would have been driving this car back then?
A young guy like me.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A man about the town.
Yeah.
Well-to-do. I mean, were they pretty expensive? Or were they more affordable?
They were more affordable.
So if you were to compare this car to like a car of today, so it's performance-based, but somebody could actually get into it for not a ton of money, what would you compare it to?
You know, it would be like Corvettes.
Like a Corvette?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mustang, perhaps?
Except it had style.
It did, yeah, a lot of style.
Yeah. That would work.
The exhaust note is phenomenal. Why would you need a radio when your engine sounds like this? Downshift. Found it.
Yeah. You can't find one, you make one.
Yeah, there you go. Make your own gear.
Yeah.
Then how many horsepower was in the vertical 8?
Probably conservative. I think they said it was about 80 to 90 horse.
Well, I mean, the car doesn't feel heavy, so I'm sure that's plenty of horsepower.
Yeah.
All Stutz vertical 8s were striking, but the Blackhawk Speedster was downright stunning. The Blackhawk set the style in the sports luxury field for the next decade. The sleek, impeccable coachwork still captures the fabulous style that embodied the Roaring 20s. Here at the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, we have so much content we want to share with you. Please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe right now.